Why is my Mercedes making a fan noise? Hearing a loud fan noise from your Mercedes can be unsettling and may indicate several underlying issues needing prompt attention. Understanding the source of the noise is essential to maintain vehicle performance and prevent costly damage. Cooling fan operation: normal versus excessive noise. Mercedes cooling fans are designed to regulate engine temperature, activating more frequently in hot weather or during idle periods. However, a loud or constant fan noise that persists after engine shutoff or starts immediately on ignition may signal a problem. Possible causes of fan noise. Number 1. Engine overheating. The fan may run loudly to compensate for rising engine temperatures due to low coolant, a stuck thermostat, or radiator issues. Number 2. Faulty temperature sensor. If the engine control unit receives incorrect temperature data, it can activate the fan unnecessarily or at full speed. Number 3. Radiator fan, clutch malfunction. A damaged fan clutch can cause the fan to engage constantly, resulting in abnormal noise even when it's not needed. Number 4. AIR conditioning system demand. When the AC is on, the fan often runs at high speed to manage system pressures, especially during high ambient temperatures. Number 5. Electrical relay or control module fault. Malfunctioning relays or fan control modules may fail to regulate fan speed properly, leading to unexpected noise levels. Diagnosing the issue professionally. A certified Mercedes technician can use diagnostic tools to retrieve fault codes and test fan circuits for irregularities. Inspection of coolant levels, temperature sensors, relays, and the fan assembly ensures a precise and safe diagnosis. Why prompt repair matters? Ignoring persistent fan noise can lead to overheating, reduced fuel efficiency, and long-term engine damage. Timely service restores quiet operation and ensures all cooling and climate control systems function harmoniously. A noisy fan in your Mercedes is more than an annoyance. It's a sign your vehicle needs expert attention. Schedule a diagnostic check with a qualified technician to identify the cause and protect your engine's longevity.